Staring at your kitchen counter at 6 p.m. trying to figure out how to thaw a rock-solid block of frozen chicken, or realizing you have to wash 4 different pans just to make a simple weeknight pasta dinner, is an absolute nightmare that completely drains your evening energy. Relying on basic slow cookers traps you in a waiting game for hours, while older pressure cookers intimidate you with loud, scary steam blasts that leave your kitchen covered in condensation. The Instant Pot Pro, a cutie, 10-in-1 pressure cooker completely rescues you from mealtime chaos and sink-full-of-dishes anxiety. Functioning as a high-velocity, multi-configurable culinary workstation engineered to put delicious, family-sized dinners on the table in a fraction of the time. Don't let its sleek, black stainless minimalist profile fool you. This countertop powerhouse packs a heavy-duty, 1,400-watt heating engine that preheats 20% faster than standard multi-cookers. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its upgraded premium inner pot design. Unlike cheaper models where the pot spins uncontrollably while you try to stir or sear, this upgraded 18/8 stainless steel pot features integrated stay-cool silicone handles that lock securely into the base. This game-changing layout means you can lift the piping hot pot out effortlessly, and because it has a perfectly flat bottom, you can transition it directly onto your stovetop or into the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, $232 /circ/text $. Engineered for seamless, worry-free operation, the Pro replaces 10 separate appliances by effortlessly packing a 10-in-1 functionality matrix, including precision sous vide, a dedicated sterilizer, a yogurt maker, and a high-heat sauté pan that delivers a perfect steakhouse sear. It takes the stress completely out of venting with its advanced whisper-quiet steam release switch, utilizing a specialized diffusing cover that quietly subdues the pressure without splashing juices onto your cabinets. With a massive 8-quart capacity that easily feeds up to 8 people, a bright visual progress bar tracking every stage of your meal, and a companion app packed with over 800 step-by-step recipes, it is the ultimate lifestyle upgrade for busy parents, meal preppers, and home chefs who demand elite, set-and-forget cooking convenience. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this 8-quart powerhouse to batch prep healthy weekly meals or to conquer quick weeknight dinners. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart kitchen appliances, cooking gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.